Do you have weeds growing around your trees? Wondering what is the best way to get rid of these unsightly weeds? In this video, I will show you step by step how to get rid of weeds growing around trees. How to kill weeds growing around trees. The safest way to kill the weeds growing around trees is to hand weed. Yep, the old-fashioned way. Dig out the weed and make sure to remove the roots. Unfortunately, there's no shortcut when it comes to killing weeds growing around trees. If you use weed killers, there's always a risk that your tree will be harmed by the weed killer chemicals. The weed killer might even kill the tree. Chemicals from the weed killer will seep into the roots and harm the tree. Tools you'll need to make it easier to remove the weeds. When hand weeding, I like to use a garden weeder tool. This makes it easier to remove the roots deep in the soil. I also like to use a garden knife. Sometimes for stubborn weeds, the serrated edge of a garden knife will help dislodge the weed. How to remove the weeds around trees. Step 1. Water around the tree. The best time to remove weeds is after rain. The soil will be moist and it will make it easier for you to remove the weeds around the tree. If it rained recently and the soil is moist around the tree, you can skip this step. If the soil is dry, you can help make it easier to hand weed with moist soil. Water around the tree trunk. Make sure to wet the area where the weeds are. Step 2. Hand weed around the tree. The safest way to remove weeds around trees is to hand weed. Weed at least 12 inches in circumference around the tree. Pull out the entire weed, including the roots. Be careful when using a garden weeder tool. Don't stab the tree roots with your garden weeder. Step 3. Mulch around the tree. After you have removed all the weeds around the tree, you need to mulch the area. Mulching will prevent future weeds from growing in the area around the tree. Use an organic mulch such as compost or shredded bark. Add 3 to 4 inches of mulch around the tree. Just don't place the mulch too close to the tree trunk. When is the best time to remove weeds? The best time to remove weeds is in early spring. Pull out the weeds as they are emerging. There will be fewer weeds to pull out. Plus, the weeds are young, so the roots are not lodged deeply into the soil, making it easier to hand weed. I suggest you make your life easier next year and start weeding the moment you see weeds emerge in the spring. Please like and subscribe for more gardening videos like this. Thanks for watching!